Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna explain to you how to unprivate your Twitter account. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to x.com and then simply click on more. Then you're gonna have to simply go to settings and privacy and then simply go to privacy and safety. So you're gonna have to go to these settings here and then simply go through each one of them. So as you can see, you have at the top audience, media and tagging. So you're gonna have to make sure that these are not selected. Then you're gonna have to go to this one here, then to this one as well, and basically that's how you can unprivate your X account, previously known as Twitter. So basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.